Homework 12. A. He is washing a car. B. He is petting the animals. C. He is running around the bend. D. He is going over the fence. 2. A. They are working in an art studio. B. They are listening to a lecture. C. They are drawing pictures outdoors. D. They are looking at paintings in the museum. 3. A. They're taking a walk together. B. One man is looking at the monitor. C. Two men are facing away to each other. D. They are sitting across from each other. 4. A. The shelves are being stocked. B. There are books on the floor. C. Some reading materials are on the shelves. D. A man is booking tickets to a play. 5. A man is about to sit on the bench. B. A man is buying a newspaper. C. A man is reading while sitting. D. A man is entering the building.